Hello everyone, it's me again, Yukoi AI. There is good news for those of you currently using Gravitywrite AI. Gravit has updated a new user interface. I have visited and previewed it. It is quite beautiful and easy to manage for creating video content for all creators on all platforms. To access the application, I have placed the login link below in the comments. You can access the link for convenience. This is the old interface before. To log into the new interface, select this tab. When you click here, you will choose the profession you need to use this AI to update the new interface. This is also quite simple. I've done it already, so when I click it, I'll go to the main interface. This is the new interface of the application. Here there are two areas for creating content from text and one for creating content with images. This image creation feature is new to this AI app. Creators like you have created images, and the images will be saved in this library. This area is the logo image creation area, classified according to the purpose of creating logos. This area is for creating artwork and drawing. This area is for creating graphic design images. This area is for creating product images. This area is for creating product images. And this area is the area for creating motivational images and avatars. Next is the 3D imaging area. This area is the area where notes are created. And this is the area for creating book cover images. Next is the area to create images for your website. This is the area to create cute animal photos. Next is the emotional image creation area. Next is the area for creating computer wallpaper images. And this is the art making area. Finally, there is the area to create thumbnail images for YouTube. To create an image, please enter the description of your image creation command in this tab. Next, you choose the image size you want to create in this tab. There are many image sizes for different platforms. You can choose according to your wishes. This tab allows you to choose the photo creation style you want. Diverse styles. When you use it, you can customize it. Then you click on the Create Image command. In addition, you can use this existing image creation tool to create a new image with a similar style, and certainly the created image has the same style, but will not be the same as the image. Okay, just wait guys. The image has already been created guys. This is a demo video. You can create more beautiful images using this tool. Please note that this AI tool is a paid tool, so when using it, please register and purchase accordingly according to your needs. There is a promotion during this period. Guys, please experience it to shorten your time and enrich your videos. Okay, in today's video I have updated the new interface of Gravitywrite and the latest way to create photos of this application. If you feel this video is useful, please give me a subscribe, like and share so I have the motivation to create more content, latest content for you. Goodbye and see you again.